Welcome to CAD Concepts. In this video, we will explore 15 working LISP routine in AutoCAD. LISP routine additional software, okay? This will save you a lot of time. Saving time in AutoCAD not easy game. You can introduce in your work to automate your most common task, okay? So, let's begin. Number 1, batch leveling. You want to provide auto level, okay? So auto leveling we have in Wash plugin also, okay? For example, we take BG, where we click we will get level, okay? So in this case you have to click one by one, right? How about all in one time? Complete leveling, okay? Let this here, type BLV, which is batch leveling, and let this scale your text scale. Click over the point to get your 0 initial level, okay? Now let this first point, okay, and end point. All the level you are getting in one time. You do not require to click multiple time. If you see here, just provide your scale, text scale, okay, and first point, second point. Now you see here, you can decide your initial level, 0 level by clicking over, and then you can take complete crossing. It will intersect your batch leveling in just one time. Number 2, inner area report. IAR, choose your text scaling and go like this, okay? Randomly, wherever your area you want, in square meter and in square feet with serial number, okay? Like this. When you have to close, you just enter, okay? Now you see here, area report you are getting in table also. If you have multiple inner area, it can be block, it can be apartment, or it can be plot. What you do, just take random P line like this, okay? And when you enter, it will close and instantly will ask you for next P line. It will give serial number, square meter, and square feet. When you are okay, double enter and click here to get your table report, serial number, area in square feet, and area in square meter, and total also. Number 3, length report. Geometry we have arc, P-line, circle, everything we are getting here, okay? Even SP-line, ellipse, okay? Let this TLN and choose your text scaling. We'll keep 135. You can keep your own, okay? This is okay. Each vertices you are getting your, and now click here to get your total length report by layer, object type, count, and length, and you are getting grand total also. 4 arc, 4 circle, 4 SP-line, ellipse, layer based, okay? In detail you are getting length report in just one time. Number 4, oblique rectangle. This LISP routine inspired by ZWCAD, okay? So far we have clean rectangle like this, but we do not have oblique rectangle. Let this OBR and choose first point, second point, and go like this. You can draw oblique rectangle. This feature you will get in ZWCAD, okay? So this way you can place oblique rectangle in AutoCAD. If you see here, this is the best possible way to place oblique rectangle quickly. Number 5, dynamic scale. Usually you provide scale, take property, and changing line type scale and checking one by one, okay or not, and increasing manually, right? How about dynamic scale? Let this here double SC. Select all and enter. Choose base point and drag like this. As you move cursor, it will give you dynamic scaling with scale point also. If you see here, you can make for one only, or you can select multiple, and you can perfectly provide dynamic scaling. If you see here. Number 6, dynamic hatching. So far you have to provide hatch scale or hatch angle. You have to go in property, right? You will select your hatch pattern, then you go property and then you change from here, and then you check our scale what we provided okay or not. Then you check again and again, right? You will change dynamically, okay? Leave it. Type here HSA, select your hatch, choose base point, let this scale, choose base point and go like this. If you see here, so you are getting scale factor also. So you can preview how it's look like and you can leave as it is, okay? This one also, choose scale and go like this. If you see here, same here also, scale, click base point and go like this. You will get scale count preview also and hash dynamic scaling. If you see here, this feature you are not getting in AutoCAD default. So not limited to this, you can provide live hatch angle also. Let this angle, okay, same command for angle. If you see here, so you are getting dynamic movement for your angle. This feature you will get in YQAsh plugin. So this is the best possible way to provide your quick hatching with preview. Number 7, arrowhead. We want to provide leader arrow, okay? Let this ARD, scale your arrow scale and go like this. If you see here, you're getting arc based, one end arrow. You want to provide here also, first point, choose your length and go like this. So this way you can provide your arrowhead. You can choose your distance by 2 point also for your arrowhead, if you see here, and you can place perfectly this way. Number 8, dual arrowhead. How about 2 point arrowhead, okay? Let this DLD and choose your arrow size, okay? Let this 1000 unit, pick first point and go like this and click on second point. See what you are getting. You are getting both end your arrowhead. So you want to connect any two line, any two object. You want to rotate. This is the only way to place 2 point arrowhead. If you see here, so in just one time you can provide quickly 2 point arrowhead with neat and clean. See, you can scale your arrowhead size also. For example, we have 2 line. We want to connect these 2 line, DLD. Click over the point, or you can enter your specific size for your arrowhead and go like this and click over the point. Number 9, draw wall. We want to draw wall similar to YQAsh plugin. Let this WL, this LISP routine is so useful, and choose your width and go like this as you see here. So you can draw your wall perfectly, something like this. Number 10, auto door. How about placing automatic door? Same like YQAsh plugin but using LISP, okay? Let this DR and choose your width, your door width, okay? Let this 1000 unit. Click over the first point, your wall, okay? And then second. See, it give you orientation also, which direction you want, okay? This direction and click here and will adjust your wall with door. If you see here, same here also, click first point, second point and direction. So you are getting perfectly in just one time. So most of the user not able to install YQAsh plugin for any specific reason. If you are working in company, it is possible. Company not allow using additional plugin. This way you can place your particular LISP that perfectly place your door, okay? Number 11, auto window. Let this WN, window width, you can give window width, let this 800 unit. Click first point, second point, your 2 line, okay? First line, second line, it will give center to center perfectly your window, same like YQAsh plugin. But this thing you are doing with particular LISP routine. Okay, as you see here, in just one time you can place neat and clean window over the wall. You can change your scale for your door width. You can give 2 point also by dragging first point, second point like this, and then click over the first point, second point, first and second. So this way perfectly you can place your door or window over the wall in just one time. Number 12, concentric rectangle. This LISP routine inspired by AutoCAD. Let this here, CONR, click over the point and go like this. If you see here, so you can place concentric rectangle and place your colon copy directly here. If you see here, click over the point and go like this. Number 13, dynamic copy. One of the most powerful tool, most favorite tool. Okay, usually you copy like this, right? Let this CD, select your object, choose first point, second point, and go like this. See, you do not require to click one by one. It will go with copy count also. If you see here, select this one. This feature you are getting in YQAsh plugin, but this particular list make you dynamic copy for any object. It will give preview also. Select your entire object and give 2 distance point and will copy like this. This is the best possible way and only way to provide dynamic copy with 2 specific distance, and it will give copy count also. If you see here. Number 14, oblique correction. You have oblique line you want to correct. Okay, let this OC and click over the line point. If you see here, just click like this. So this way you can correct your line oblique correction. Number 15, leader point. You want to indicate particular leader point. Let this AR, first point, second point, in just one time like this. As per your first 2 point, it will give size also. This way you can provide your leader point. I hope you got this video helpful. Must explore more than 400 plus advanced LISP routine. You will get complete LISP routine in one place with user guide and video lecture. That definitely most of them you can introduce in your work and you can save you a lot of time. Saving time in AutoCAD not easy game. Must check out this powerful LISP routine complete bundle. I hope you got this video helpful. Must like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, must leave your comment. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.